welcome back fellas. It's been a little bit. We're in the turbo today. Not many of you would have seen my community post, but what we're doing is trying to get a quarter mile time down in particular because I actually haven't done a quarter mile run yet. The best 0 to 100 this car has gotten is a 5.3, and the 60 foot's pretty bad at like a 2.3 because I just leave in first gear, which spins out. So I might, on my very first run here, leave in second gear and yeah, see how we go. So I've got the draggy, I'll hook that up to my phone and I'll play every single run through the draggy app. So let's see how we go. Quick rundown, if you want to know more about the turbo, guys, check out my last video. It's actually doing really well, just over 3,000 views now, which is fucking crazy. You guys have been loving that. But just a quick rundown for the guys who haven't seen that video. It's a BF XR6 turbo, factory, Mark II with a ZF6 automatic, and it's just had some, you know, all your fucking usual bolt-on stuff, and tuned on 15 PSI and high boost for 517 horsepower. It was done on a hub dyno. So yeah, so if I click reset, I can go to tune between tune 1, 2, 3 and 4. The main ones we worry about is tune 1, that's low boost, that's 10 PSI, makes 385 horsepower. And tune 2 is the 517 horsepower tune. Alright, so I'll hook the draggy up to the phone and let's see what we get here. I'm just going to be doing it on this back road in Mexico here, and yeah, I'm definitely keen to see what this gets on the quarter mile. Alright, so this is the back road there where it straightens up just up there. Yeah. See how the beast goes. Second gear. Yep, that spun really bad.
Quarter mile.
Alright, so that run was absolutely yeah, so that run was absolutely fucked. Yeah, just as soon as boost came on, kicked me out a bit. You probably couldn't tell too much in the footage, but yeah, holy shit, did that spin really bad. I think I just need to stop trying to get the most power down, and I should just get a baseline run for you guys, so I have something I can work on and slowly better. At this rate, I'm never going to get a quarter mile time because I'm just trying to get too much down at once. So yeah, better tyres down the road maybe, stuff like that. But yeah, we'll turn around. We'll get a second run in now, and I'm just going to have to go really, really light and then feed it the rest of the way through once it's around, I don't know, 80 to 100 Ks when it won't spin. So yeah, see how we go. All right, I think we start a little bit back. And I think I'm just going to let it stay in auto, just standard, build it up a bit.
60, 100.
Oh, 12.5. Well, as you can see there, boys, just going about quarter foot, then half foot, then full flat. Yeah, it got me around a 4.8 0 to 100. First time touching the 4-second rate. Yeah, it's definitely got 11 seconds in it. It's yeah, just a bit sketchy on that back road there. But yeah, still did a 12.5. So right, we're about to go for this next run, but I quickly looked back at that footage. You can hear me letting off like good, almost like a good half a second before it even says quarter mile. So yeah, it's definitely an 11-second car. I just, maybe I need to start back a little bit further again before the road starts getting too fucking choppy. And I want to say it quickly spun out a little bit and then just short shifted and we were away. I'm happy with that for now. Hopefully I can just get a full run in and see if we can get a low 12. If we saw an 11, that'd be fucking amazing on a back road, but yeah. So we'll see how we go. I'll just turn around here and see how we can do. Righto, bit back again, just in standard drive. Let's see.
60, 100.
Righto, so as you can see there, the transmission isn't liking those back-to-back runs. I haven't actually mentioned this, but I got the car tuned without an external transcooler on the transmission. The tuner said I was fucking crazy, but he said it was alright, he could tune it up. But the first thing he recommended when I get back home was put a transcooler on it, because it really does not like that added power. You could imagine from stock power to 500, all that extra heat it's producing. So we're going to put it away for now, but at least we got that solid run in and we got below the 5 seconds, so that's great. I got a few other things planned before I get back to the Turbo series anyway. But when I do, it'll just be a full service and a transcooler install. So see how that goes for the old girl, and we'll come back to it. So next video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Aero Pro fascia unit. I've always wanted to get one for a while now, and I've been very interested in them, but a mate of just got one installed until his BF, and my God, it really does change the car. I'll leave all my opinions to that next video, but yeah, stay tuned for that one as well. And yeah, 12.5 second quarter mile and sub 5 seconds 0 to 100. Can't complain about that. See you in the next one.